Welcome to the world of premium gaming with the Velztorm Aciex 14th Gen Gaming Desktop PC. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Take a moment to check the price and consider grabbing yours today. This powerhouse is equipped with a 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900K processor that offers speeds up to 6.0 GHz, paired with an ultra-fast GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card for an unmatched gaming experience. The Velztorm Aciex boasts 32 GB of high-performance DDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free gaming sessions. With its 2 TB PCIe NVMe SSD, you get lightning-fast boot times and massive storage for all your favorite games and media. And with the power of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, you can stay connected to all your peripherals and the internet with ease. But that's not all. The 360mm IO liquid cooler helps keep temperatures down during those intense gaming marathons, while the 1000 WPSU provides plenty of power for the system and future upgrades. With RGB lighting and a sleek black design, this gaming desktop looks as good as it performs. Plus, it comes with Windows 11 Home, offering the latest features and a user-friendly interface. You can be sure that the Velztorm Aciex is built for long-lasting performance, and it's backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty from Microelectronics too. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your gaming rig to the next level. If you want a system that can handle the most demanding games and workloads with ease, the Velztorm Aciex 14th Gen Gaming Desktop PC is the one for you. With its top-tier specs, incredible performance, and cutting-edge design, it's ready to take your gaming to new heights. Check out the link in the description, and don't forget to consider grabbing yours today.